Scan now. Meet Sovi, your new AI study buddy. Geometric distribution problems look intimidating, but you can solve them in seconds using the complement rule. Watch this quick breakdown to master the math right now. Since we stop at the first success, this is a geometric distribution. To find the probability of success within 4 trials, it is easier to subtract 4 failures from 1. With a success probability of 0.11, the failure rate is 0.89. We raise this to the power of 4 to find 4 consecutive failures. Calculating 0.89 to the 4th power gives 0.6274. Subtracting this from 1 gives us the final probability of 0.37. Nailed it! Scan the code. You can learn better with Sovi. Avoid skipping the complement rule and always verify your geometric distribution to stay safe.